good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining me from today. I hope you are having a fabulous day. This is your girl Rosemary, and welcome to the Queen's Cuisine Cooking channel. Today we are switching things up. We are going to be making a healthy smoothie. But before we look at that, I want to appreciate you all for your continued support on this channel, for liking the video, for sharing the video with your family, with your loved ones. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe, so each time I drop a new video, you will be the first to know. Let's do family together. So what are the things we need to make our smoothie? So this smoothie, I am going to be calling this smoothie ginger, spinach, and pineapple blend, because those are the key things we need to make our smoothie. Okay, so to make our ginger, spinach, and pineapple blend, you will need your pineapple, you will need your spinach. I'm going to be using some orange juice. I'm also going to add a little bit of kale leaves, and of course our ginger, some lemon squeeze, and I'm going to add a little bit of avocado. So these are the things we need for our smoothie. So guys, I've gone ahead to clean up my vegetables and my fruits so we can manage our time today. This is going to be a short video. We are going to be making a ginger, spinach, pineapple blend. Okay guys, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to add orange juice. These are freshly squeezed orange. So orange are popular citrus fruits that are high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the immune system. So I'm going to add my oranges, then I'm going to add my ginger. So these are my ginger. Ginger is a popular spice known for a unique flavor and aroma. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which help reduce inflammation in the body. Ginger can also help aid digestion. It helps manage your blood sugar level, boost your immune system, and support your weight management. The other ingredient is my pineapple. So pineapple is not only delicious, but it's also very high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. It protects your body from any oxidative stress. And pineapple has a lot of water content, which helps maintain your proper hydration level in the body. So the next ingredient for our smoothie is my spinach. Spinach is very rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including your vitamin A, your vitamin C, your vitamin K, and your B9. It also has iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These are all vital for various bodily functions, including your immune system. Notice I'm adding 2 handfuls of spinach to my blend because spinach is really very good for you. So the other ingredient I'm going to add here is my kale. Kale is packed with essential vitamins and minerals as well, which also include your vitamin K, your vitamin C, your vitamin B6, your magnesium, calcium, potassium, just name it. Its nutrients play various roles in maintaining our overall health and well-being. So the other ingredient I'm going to add here is a lemon squeeze, and today we are using half a lemon. So I'm just going to squeeze my lemon in here. Lemon, as you already know, is very rich in vitamin C. It aids digestion, it promotes hydration, it supports weight loss, and it helps boost your overall immune system. And there's so much more with lemon. And lastly, the last ingredient I'm going to add to my smoothie is avocado. So avocado is rich in healthy fat, which can help reduce the bad cholesterol in your body and increase the good cholesterol. So these are all the ingredients we need for our smoothie. So I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to add some ice to my smoothie. I should have brought this out again. I'm going to add one more scoop of ice. now we are going to start our blend. So now that you finished blending, oh my God, it's looking so nice. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to add this to my glass, and I just wanted to also add that the kale leaf and the avocado is a choice. You really don't have to add that. It's so tasty. This is so healthy for you. Looking so good. This is healthy, and like I mentioned, you can take it any time of the day. You can take it as your breakfast, and you can take it as dinner, lunch, anytime you feel like having a smoothie. You can never go wrong with having the ginger, spinach, and pineapple blend. That is what I call this, because those are the three main ingredients you need to make this powerful smoothie that is packed with so much nutrients, so much vitamins. It's going to help boost your energy level. It has a lot of antioxidants. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Just name it. So packed with a lot of nutrients. So the kale leaves and the avocado is a choice. You don't have to add that if you're not someone that loves kale, because kale is not sweet, it's just there. But I wanted to go all out to have a healthy smoothie packed with nutrients, vitamins. This is something you should do at least 3 times a week. You can never go wrong with having this kind of smoothie. This is so yummy. This is a meal packed with a lot of nutrients. So yummy. Again guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Like I mentioned, this was going to be a short video. So until I come your way again, this is your girl Rosemary. Please love yourself, love your neighbors, treat others the way they love to be treated, and stay blessed. Bye guys.